Welcome to week 1 of our first month experience owning a hot tub. It's a short video series. My name is Sheena, and I'll be walking you through my family's experience with our brand new Hot Spring Hot Spot TX from Snake River Pool and Spa. Before I dive into how awesome it was to receive this hot tub as an anniversary surprise, I'd first like to backtrack and go over what to expect before a hot tub is actually installed. There's a few things to plan for before getting in hot water. With Snake River Pool and Spa, you can expect an in-home consultation and/or an on-site inspection, an electrical review, and an install if required, and last but not least, getting your hot tub scheduled for install, the best part. First, an in-home consultation and/or on-site inspection will be scheduled with the Snake River Pool and Spa professional, where they thoroughly assess the patio or intended hot tub space. They take the measurements, they discuss any pre-planning hot tub delivery requirements such as additional concrete or foundation needs, or even electrical requirements. In my family's case, we extended our concrete patio a few feet by placing patio pavers, and then we required a dedicated outside 110 volt for the Hot Spot TX model. So my husband worked directly with Snake River Pool and Spa to schedule the electrical install with Canyon Electric and the hot tub delivery the same day in order to surprise me for our anniversary. So he actually said that the conduit was installed. It ran from the front of the house to the backyard and all around the back porch. Plus the hot tub was installed, all of it within less than 3 hours. He said it was absolutely unbelievably fast and professionally done. And that's actually coming from my husband, a commercial construction superintendent. So whether you schedule your electrical and hot tub delivery for the same day, or you're wanting to surprise a loved one with a hot tub the way I sure was, trust Snake River Pool and Spa will help you every step along the way. So enough with the hot tub pre-install expectations. Let me share the real experience so far, starting with my first day as the official hot tub owner. I officially became a hot tub, hot spring spa owner. And I have the TX right here, and I am super excited. It is my anniversary today with my awesome husband, Ryan Dance. He surprised me with some friends of ours, and I got this puppy delivered this morning. So I haven't even stepped in it yet, but I'd like to go ahead and vlog this so that I can show everyone out there how to care for it, what the real deal is once you get something like this installed, and walk you through the process. In closing, knowing what to expect before the hot tub install is definitely key. Tune in next week for our week 2 series where we'll really dive into the initial hot tub care, including the first water sample test, and I'll explain my family's BS health issues, that is, before spa health issues, and how our experience in the hot tub so far has been instrumental for hydrotherapy and relaxation. Thanks for tuning in, and we hope you'll tune in next week.